So for this project, I configured different types of RAID to improve storage performance, reliability, and fault tolerance on the server. So first of all, I created in the storage settings. So I will create 10 VDI so that we can implemented the RAID for configuration. So in this configuration, data is divided and written across multiple disks, and it improves performance, but it does not provide fault tolerance because if one disk fails, all data is lost. So this is for RAID 0 or stripping. So I'm gonna create 10 VDI with 50 MB disk size and pre-allocated full size. Okay, so that's only 50 MB. So now we will gonna add it on the storage settings on the server 2003. So all 10 VPI will be added on the server. So now let's start our server. So these RAID configurations demonstrate the different approaches to balancing the performance and the storage capacity and the data protection in a network environment. So now let's configure first the computer settings of the server. So now let's go to I will run the disk ngmp. So now we will have 10 disk. So I will configure first the RAID 0. So this is for unallocated space. So add the disk 2. So the total of 94. Then next, then I will change the volume level to strict. And yes, for this management. So it improves performance for the stripping and does not provide fault tolerance, because if one disk fail, all data is lost. So as you can see, it's the status is healthy. So now for the RAID 1 or the mirrored So change the volume level to mirrored and yes. So this setup is the data is duplicated across two disks. So this provides high reliability because if one disk fails, the other disk is still contains two complete copy of the data. So for the span volume, it combines multiple disks into large volume. So as you can see, I added 3 disks. So it allows better use of this space, but it does not provide fault tolerance since data is not duplicated. So I will change the name for span volume. Then as you can see, the status is healthy. I implemented RAID 5. So this configuration distributes the data and the parity across 3 or more disks. So it provides both improved performance and fault tolerance because if one disk fails, the data can be recovered using the parity information. So as you can see, all the RAIDs are healthy status. So that's all for the RAID configuration.